Hi everyone, in this video I will guide you how to add border in PDF file in MS Word. So for this you need to insert the PDF file first. For this you need to click on the file and click on the open and click on this PC and insert the file from your PC. So once the PDF file is open, you need to click on the design tab and on the right side you need to select on the page borders. So now select the design of the page border. Here's the 3D. Now select the style, for example double line border. Choose the color of your choice, for example this color. Choose the width of the border, for example to 1/4 pt, and in the preview you can see that. So make sure if you want to apply the border to the whole document, then you need to select this option whole document, and if you want to insert the document for a particular page, you need to select this section only, and if you want to insert the border only the first page, then you need to select this option. So I'll be selecting the whole document and now click OK to apply. So you can see that the border has been inserted. Moreover, if you see that the border is so close to the text, so for this you need to click on design, click on the page borders and click on this option, and here you need to set the margin from top and bottom. For example, this should be 15 pt from top and bottom, and left and right to the 10 pt. So once you adjust the margin, click OK and click OK to proceed, and here you can see that. And now head to the file and click save as, and now click save as this PC, and now click on that and save as PDF file and name it 1 2 3 4 5 6, for example. Put that location, click save, and here now you can open it and see the page border has been inserted in the PDF file. So with this way you can easily add border in PDF file in MS Word. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.